Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to make a collaborative playlist on Apple Music. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Tap on the Library tab at the bottom of the screen or sidebar to access your music library. If you don't already have a playlist where you want to make it collaborative, create a new playlist. On iPhone, tap New Playlist and give it a name. On Mac, click on File, then New, then select Playlist and name it. Open the playlist, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select Edit. For Mac, open the playlist and click on Edit at the top right corner of the playlist window. Scroll down and toggle on Collaborative Playlist. On Mac, click on Settings next to the playlist name and check the box for Collaborative Playlist. After making it collaborative, tap on the Share button and choose how you want to share the playlist. Send the link to the people you want to collaborate with. For Mac, click on Share at the top right corner of the playlist window and choose your sharing method. Share the playlist link with the people you want to collaborate with. They will need to open the link on their Apple Music app. Once they open the link, they can add songs to the playlist from their own Apple Music library by tapping on the plus button next to a song and selecting Add to Playlist. If you want to manage collaborators, go to the playlist, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and select Edit. Tap on Collaborators to add or remove contributors. For Mac, open the playlist, click on Edit at the top right corner, then click on the Collaborators tab to manage contributors. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.